What's up guys, it's Vicky with Couples Hairapy. I am super excited for this video. I'm going to be washing my hair with Soapnuts, which is also known as Reetha or Reetha. It is a whole seed that I purchased, and you're gonna see how I use this. I'm also going to be putting in some whole Shikakai. I'm also going to be putting in some Amla. I love Amla. It is really great for hair growth and it's really great for my scalp. Let's get into it. I'm going to cleanse my hair with these products and then I'm going to go in with my own conditioner that I usually use. This is my first time using these products in this way. I'm super excited to share with you guys my opinion and how it worked for me. So keep watching and let's see how it goes.
Before we get started, hit that subscribe button so you get notified of all of our new videos. Okay, jumping right in, I used 8 of the Reetha whole seeds. Reetha is known to promote hair growth, prevent hair fall, and also remove dandruff. I grabbed about 6 pods of Shikakai. Shikakai is great for cleansing your hair and scalp. It has vitamins and antioxidants that have antifungal properties. I also used a handful of Amla, which is excellent for hair growth. Lastly, I added 2 tablespoons of Fenugreek, which is known for its strengthening properties. So I started out with first boiling all of these items together. I will make a disclaimer, which is that this is not what the instructions said to do. So I wanted to speed up the process. Essentially, you want all of these natural seeds and berries to soften so that all of the nutrients can be extracted from them and put into the water, which will be your shampoo. What you're actually supposed to do is place all of these items in water and let it sit overnight or up to 48 hours. I decided to boil first because I wanted to speed up the process. I let this boil for about 20 minutes until it came to a rapid boil. Then I turned the fire down to let it simmer for another 20 minutes. I poured it into a bowl to let it sit overnight. And you guys, I'm really not one to waste hair products, so I definitely made sure to get every little bit of this out of this pan. It was at this point that I realized I had done something wrong. The Shikakai and the Soapnut were still very hard, which is why the directions say to let it sit overnight prior to boiling. I also added 1 tablespoon of Neem Oil, which is great for promoting hair growth and conditioning your scalp. I ended up breaking up the Reetha to remove the seed from inside. You can buy them without the seed, which I think is what I'm going to do next time. Actually let this sit for 2 days. The Shikakai and Soapnut seem to have softened a little bit better over the past 2 days. I actually noticed that the mixture was a bit thicker and it also started to set a little bit. So I popped it right back on the stove to let it boil and then simmer for 20 more minutes. It cooled, I poured it into a nut milk bag to strain out all the juice. I poured all of the juice into a measuring cup so that it was easier for me to pour it into my applicator bottle. This is actually a condiment bottle. And please be careful, I definitely almost just spilled this entire bottle onto the table and the floor. That would have been terrible. So our shampoo is ready to use. So I'm starting with old twists in my hair. I kept these in prior to using my shampoo because I wanted to make sure I got all up in my scalp. It's a pretty simple process. I just squirted it onto my scalp and made sure to massage it in all over my scalp. I untwisted my hair and applied the shampoo all over my strands. As I was applying it to my hair, I could feel my hair getting stronger. So I actually stopped manipulating my hair as much as I did when I started, just because my hair was so strong that I felt that if I manipulated it a little bit too much, then it could possibly break. So just note that if you do try out this method, do not manipulate your hair. Just set the product on your hair, let it sit, and then rinse it out. So be very careful not to get this in your eyes. This is not a tear-free shampoo. These are natural seeds and pods and beans, so it will burn very, very much if you get this in your eye, and you might even get an infection, so please be careful. So I let it sit in my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I made sure to rinse it out thoroughly. Rinsed out, I went in with my deep conditioner and I continued my regular conditioning and detangling routine. Heyo, length check time. I've been on a journey to waist length hair, so I like to check sometimes in the shower when my hair is wet. Comment below and let me know if you're interested in seeing a length check video. I really enjoyed using this Soapnut Shampoo. Because it's so strengthening, I probably only use it every other week rather than every week. I don't want my hair to have protein overload. I already have partially sensitive hair to protein. I often use Amla and Fenugreek during the week with my Fenugreek spray. So this is something that I probably won't use as often, but I did enjoy it and my hair definitely feels stronger. My scalp feels cleaner and less itchy. So let me know if you try it and I hope it goes well for you. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.